So for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I'm really excited about it because it's with one of my favourite blogger platforms, and that is The Social Edit. So they're basically just a platform online where bloggers and influencers can go and sign up and they get connections with brands and stuff. It's just a really good platform to be part of if you are an influencer. So they sent me a parcel to unbox on camera for you all, and my favourite part about doing these videos is that I get to try and kind of promote new brands or independent brands. So it's kind of a win-win situation really, because I get to try loads of amazing new things and the brand also gets a little bit of exposure which they might not have had before. So here's my box, I'm going to crack straight on. So the first thing on top is this bag, and this is Be Free Intimate Apparel. Oh my god, the packaging just gets better. So they've said, "Dearest Rosie, we've carefully selected these products for you and really hope you like them. You're an absolute gem on YouTube and we look forward for you to continue inspiring us with your cute and authentic videos. Guys, enjoy the products and may your fans enjoy them too, with $20 credit on all orders over $100 with code YouTube20. Much love, Be Free." Okay, so here we have the nipple covers, and these are basically just little patches that you can put on over your nipples to wear under clothes so you don't obviously get the nipple cover. Look, what am I trying to say? Okay, oh, my nipple's fallen off. Oh my god, they feel really like satisfying to touch. They actually feel like flesh. That sounded really disturbing and weird, I'm sorry. Oh yes, okay, so they've also sent me these shapewear pants. I've got a black pair here and I've also got a nude pair, and these are basically just shapewear like control pants, which I really need at the moment, so thank you for that. Add those to my control pants collection, and I do have one. Oh yes, okay, so next I've got this Beverly Hills Formula Professional White. So the first thing I have is this whitening toothpaste, and it's in this really nice kind of matte packaging. And then this is another whitening toothpaste, and this is the Enamel Remineralizing Serum. Oh my god, is this mouthwash? Yeah. Okay, Professional White mouthwash. They've even given me a toothbrush as well, a sensitive toothpaste, and then obviously the big deal, which is the Professional White 2-in-1 Teeth Whitening Kit. And this is 28 whitening strips, and I'm definitely going to be using this because I have had my teeth whitened once. I actually whitened them myself at home with like the syringy kind of whitening stuff. That was about 2 years ago, just before I went to the Caribbean. I don't even know where that was, maybe 2015. They have stayed quite white since then, but I do want to top them up, so I'm really excited to use these. I'll let you know how I get on with it. Okay, so next I've got some phone cases from Burger, and I know these are phone cases because I've worked with Burger before. Okay, so this is the first phone case. It's so nice. It's like a blue mosaic pattern. I love that. Whoa, okay, bye. I'm kind of glad that fell out because there's a cheeky little 20% off thing behind there. So you can get 20% off with the code 20xburger. Okay, the next one is this really cute black and white polka dot with like blue roses at the bottom. And the third one is this blue and white and gold marble style one, which is really, really pretty. I love those. Thank you so much, Burger. Next, I've picked out this little box, which is so cute. What? That is sick. Okay, so I've got two phone cases here. There's this one that says my name on it, and then it's got a big R, and it's pink, and then it's got like this glitter print at the back as well. I love this one. This one says ThoseRosieDays on it, and it's got a massive R on it, which is actual kind of glitter. Okay, so this is from the brand Sassy, and I will link all websites and everything down below so you can go and check them out if you want to. They've also sent me a little compact mirror, which is really cute, and they also sent me this really cute like crossover bangle. So next up I have a few things from the Skinny Cafe, which is going to be perfect for me at the moment because I am trying to lose some weight. I have lost about half a stone so far, and it's like an ongoing thing. So anything to aid me with that, I am totally for. So the first thing I have here is the Skinny Cafe Skinny Coffee. I drink coffee every single day at work, so I am totally gonna drink this. I love coffee so much. I've also got some Skinny Tea, which is a 14-day program, and you have this before bedtime as a detox. And then I've got these Thermosin weight loss capsules, which are a food supplement. This has something called glucomannan in it, which contributes to a reduction in body weight, and in the context of an energy restricted diet contributes to weight loss, which is what I'm doing. So hopefully these will help as well. But I'll try all three and let you know how I got on with them. This also looks really cool. This is from the Beauty Cafe, and this is Beauty Lock's 30-day program hot chocolate, nutrient-rich, gluten-free hair growth formula to contribute the maintenance of normal hair skin and nails. Okay, did you all get that? It's 18 calories per drink, which is great, and it apparently helps your hair, your nails and your skin, so I'm all for that. And I've also got this little cappuccino maker with it, and this just basically froths up your milk so you can have a hot chocolate with nice frothy milk. This really excites me. So this is a little book from Hey Little Beauty. Yeah, so this is basically an 8-week planner which includes a diary, a food diary, weight loss and measurement chart, 30-day body challenge, goals and motivation, weight loss tips, 7-day food plan, loads of different stuff to basically help you lose weight and stay on track. And the last 3 things I have are all different kinds of books from My Kind of Book, and I'll leave the website down below. So the first one is this one called Children of Blood and Bone, and this is by Tomi Adeyemi or Tomi Adeyemi, I'm not sure how you pronounce the name. So here it says that Children of Blood and Bone takes place in a world inspired by Tomi's West African heritage. Aside from a compelling plot and a strong-willed heroine as the protagonist, the book deals with larger themes like race and power. So this sounds really, really interesting and totally up my street. This next book is also from the My Kind of Book website, and this is called Goodbye Perfect, and it's by Sarah Bernard. Or Sarah, I'm sorry. So this says, this novel is about Eden McKinley's life and her best friend Bonnie. However, everything is about to change as the story really begins when Bonnie runs away with her boyfriend Eden. So this also sounds quite interesting, and I really love the cover of this, it's so pretty. And then this last book, also from the My Kind of Book website, is Open Your Heart, Learn to Love Your Life. Okay. Open Your Heart, Learn to Love Your Life and Love Yourself. And it's by Gemma Kearney, and I've actually met her before in Newquay when I was 17, I think. We all went on like a girls' holiday, and she was there presenting with Radio 1 Extra, and they interviewed her, so I've actually met her before. Okay, so this says, this non-fiction book is going to be your new best friend. From heartbreak, heartache to body image and everything in between, this book will help you learn to love your body, your friends and your family, and tell you what to do if things go wrong. So this does sound really good as well. I love a little bit of non-fiction from time to time, especially when it's about life and, you know, how to live your best life and stuff like that. So, oh, I just hit myself in the face with it. And I've got foundation on it. I feel like this would be a really good coffee table book as well, because it just looks really nice, so yeah. So that was everything for my little unboxing. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll leave links to everything in the description box down below, along with any discount codes and everything like that if you want to check any of this out. If you haven't already and you would like to, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I've got loads of videos coming up that I'm really excited about, so I think you'll enjoy them as well. So please subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!